We had a meeting with the Komnidad on Monday with the Honorable Minister Ramesh Tavadkar, Komnidad committee as well as Minister and myself. We are chairing a meeting within 8 to 10 days. Minister has given assurance that we will sit and discuss how to go about the transaction of transferring the land from the Komnidad to the government. How it is to be taken, whether it is to be taken in kind with a build-up or whether it is to be outright purchased or how, whether they will pay a lease of 99 years, that is to be finalized because the Komnidad has taken a resolution saying that government is to be fixed the rate at which it is to be transferred. So they have to give, the government has to give them an answer how they want to move forward. So it is, the ball is in the court of the government की पुढे वचपाचे वाट कशी काडपाचे.
Why so much delay, sir? The issue is very long.
So there is land acquisition in question. It is not government land. If it was government land, it could have been built immediately. The Komnidad had to take a general body, which they have taken in June or July last year, 2025. It's almost 7 months. Then minister was changed. New minister came. He told me that he will look into the matter. But now he has assured that.
Election lagi पावतो दुसरो. Every now and then.
We are not working because of the election. हे डिमांड आसा ते फक्त म्हापशेकाराचेच न्हू पूर्ण बार्देसकाराचे डिमांड जावन आसा. And it is not only Mapsa MLA is asking for Ravindra Bhavan of Mapsa. It is being asked by all 6 MLAs who are with me, whether it is Rohan Gaute, Michael Lobo, Delilah Lobo, Nilkal Alankar and Carlos Alvarez Ferreira. So it is all our demand together to make sure that this Ravindra Bhavan comes up in the constituency of Mapsa.